Okay, watch out. Uncommon thing in a common situation. Good job with that progressive brake pressure. Going through here, intersection, orange stage, and yellow stage. Now orange stage again, because we have another intersection. Did a good job applying that progressive brake pressure, getting himself out of that, because that person probably didn't see us because of unintentional blindness, or just made the decision to do it because we were supposed to be slowing down anyways. They're like, we'll just do that. Not a big deal. Motorcycle versus crazy drivers. This is an intersection right here, but that's a big hazard when it comes to residential neighborhoods, because everyone's getting in and out. There's cars on the side. Gotta watch out for that. Don't speed around that though.
Where the poorly organized and too confident group riding ends up with a valuable and expensive lesson.
Okay, valuable and expensive lesson. Ooh, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Hopefully he's wearing gear. Hopefully he's wearing gear. Doesn't look like it. Looks like they're all wearing the same hoodie. It's a nice little group going on. But what do you do? What do you do? With our rescue booklet, you know what to do. Hopefully there's not a lot of bleeding. He's guarding his leg. Ooh, that tib fib is broken.
Attends, bouge pas, bouge pas.
That's a broken tib fib.
Elle est morte.
You saw the... We'll talk about this when we come back. We'll talk about this when we come back. I can't pause it. I'm not allowed to. We do have a splint in our rescue packs. The red ones. We have a splint. And you're able to at least put the splint underneath it so that it's going to keep it in line, because it's broken. That thing was broken. So more than likely when he hit and landed on that left leg, we'll talk about it again, it snapped because it got... Oof. That's right at the top. That's not mid. It could be mid. It could be mid. His gear might be changing it up. But look at that. Just that little accident caused him to break his leg. Should have took a mirror. Okay. The person's switching lanes, so did you. Watch out for the person in front of you. Apply the brakes, and then we get back in our lane. A lot of red lights. We don't know. Make sure you maintain a good space cushion. Non-issue. Why are you taking mirrors? Why do you want to take mirrors? I don't get it. Here we go. Riding along, we have a big open lane, good space cushions. Look at this. This is what I use my rock form for, so I can see what turns are coming up. Okay, that person's getting in your lane. Move over. Or slow down. That's fine too, but I also want to give myself a better space cushion. There you go. Moving over. Move past. Very good. Non-issue. Just kind of happens. There's going to be drivers out there that are less experienced and do stupid stuff like this. So we hit a bug or something and we can't see anything. We're going around this person. Okay. Okay, he's kind of waiting for a good opportunity to do that, but we do have a crest of the hill coming. What does this person do? Oh, you see that road surface hazard he dodged? That was a really good plan. He located the hazard and he navigated that. All right, this music is always good. Thank you, MotoStars, for putting it up on the screen. Oh, hit a bump. I'm sorry. I want to see that one. What he hit? Lift your butt up when you're about to go over a speed bump, or you're gonna get bucked off. That's exactly it right there.